Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the best platform to sell digital products. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the best platform to sell digital products is this platform called Payhip. Now as you can see here on their homepage, you will be able to sell digital downloads, courses, coaches, and more from one simple platform. So anything related to digital, you will be able to sell in this platform, which makes it amazing. So to be able to use Payhip, you're going to of course sign up. To be able to sign up, you're simply going to enter your email address over here and then follow the instructions on how to sign up. Now after signing up and logging in, this is where we will be redirected. As you can see here, this is our homepage or our dashboard. We will be able to add our first product by clicking this option over here right away. We can also check out our setup checkout over here or customize our store design. We will check out these features later on. As you can see here also at the top, you will be able to manage your products over here. When you click this, you will be redirected to a page where you will be able to see all your products. Right now, we don't have any yet. You can also check out anything related to your store. Under the store option over here, as you can see, you could launch your store builder, which we will do in a bit. You could check out your blog posts and your domains. You could also check out your analytics. So let's go check out the analytics part of Payhip. As you can see, you will be able to see all the statistics related to your store, such as the daily views. Right now, of course, it's 0 because we have just created our account today. It will also show you your daily sales, your total sales, your unique customers, total orders, and total views. You will also be able to see the top 10 visitor sources and the conversion rate over here and visits month over here. Basically, you will be able to see the map or the location of the users who have been checking out your store. And aside from that, you can also check out the analytics for a specific product and a specific date. As you can see here on this option, you have the option to view this month, which is of course today, the previous month, the last 7 days, the last 6 months, and the last year. You can also set up a custom where you will be able to select the range over here, as you can see. Aside from that, we can also check out our marketing over here on the top. And let's see, over here, you will be able to check out your coupons, run sale, affiliate, mailing list, cross-selling, upgrade, and more. Of course, we would need to add our product before we will be able to add our coupon. And lastly, you have your customer over here. Now let's go back to our dashboard and let's create our very first product. Actually, as you can see, we have only completed 25% of our store setup. So we have to complete this 3 over here to be able to complete our store setup. So let's click on add your first product. There we go. And click on add a product. Now, assuming you already have a digital download or a digital product, of course, you're going to have to select the product type over here. So either way, whatever your item is, you should select it. So if it's a course, you could click on the course over here. If it's a digital product or ebooks or software, you could click on digital product option over here. You could also sell memberships. You could also sell physical products. So this platform is not limited to digital products only or digital downloads. You will also be able to sell physical items. You could also sell bundle items, coaching services, and that's basically it. Those are the different product types that you will be able to sell in Payhip. So let's click on digital product over here. Since our focus for today's video is best platform to sell a digital product. So let's demonstrate how you will be able to sell a digital product. So over here, there we go. Now, the first step is of course, upload your files over here. All formats are accepted. And if you like to know about the technical stuff on the rules of adding a digital product, you could read out the different information over here. As you can see, there will be some information over here that might help you. Then going back here, now you're going to have to choose a title for your product. Let's say testing for now. And you could set up the price over here. So you could say $50 or whatever currency you are currently located at. You can simply select them over here. And you could also upload a cover image over here or embedded audio or a video. So assuming, for example, you sold Of course, you're going to add a clip as a demonstration of the course. So whatever you have, for example, another example is an ebook. You could upload the cover page in this page over here, in this area over here, and the recommended minimum image width is 1000 pixels. You could also add the description over here. The typical paragraph formatting over here are located on the top. You will be able to upload images, links, and even videos as well. And over here, you could set the visibility. Should your store visitors be able to see this product, you could either have visible, invisible, or unlisted over here. And on the advanced option, as you can see, you will be able to have different variation. You have tax exempt. This product is an ebook. If you enable this, here we go. And now this will be recognized as an ebook. And when you see this, as you can see, if you have a transaction in EU, the digital EU VAT for ebook can be applied at reduced rates in some countries. So the ebook will have some sort of tax. You will also be able to upload a preview file for your customers, like a few pages as a teaser, limit the number of times this product can be sold, automatically subscribe customer to mailing list, or generate a unique key for each sale. So this is only for a software product. And you can also check out the SEO options over here. So let's close this. And after that, you can simply click on add your product and you will be able to start selling your product. Now let's go back to the dashboard. And you are also able to set up your checkout, of course. You can accept payments if you don't set this up. So as you can see, you will be able to lay it up to your PayPal account, or you could accept payment with Stripe. You could change your currency over here, and you have your statement description over here that will appear on your customer's bank statement. They should recognize it's you. They'll simply put the information that is being asked for you over here. And also there's other things over here. You should also set up your taxes. You should put in the necessary information because of course this is a store. There will be some taxes whenever you make some sales. So let's go back to our dashboard and let's actually create our store. And like any other e-commerce platform out there, you will be able to customize and create your own store design that your different users or customers will be able to view upon visiting your own website or your own option over here. But we would need to add our first product, so let's add our first product. I don't actually have a file, so let me just look up something over here. Just that I could upload a random photo. Let's go with this one, download this one. We'll go back here, digital product. Let's do the same process as earlier. Let's upload our product file, select that, and just say book. Our price is that. Let's upload our cover, same thing. Description, none, and simply add product. There we go. Now we have a single product into our store. Now you will be able to see your product link as you can see here as well, and view it on your product page. So let's go on editing our website. Here we go, customize store design, customize design, and let's see the builder of Payhip. And let's check it out. There we go. As you can see, this is the preview on the right side. This is the actual shop. You could add some header options over here. You could add different things. You can different section, custom page. You can also add your store logo, add some navigation link, header settings, announcement bar, and other elements. As you can see here. As you explore this, you will be able to see all the different features that you could add. You could also add like another section over here or add another footer. And adding another section would allow you to put extra things on your website. For example, I would add this. And aside from this about me, you will be able to now see a image section over here. So if I save this, we will be able to save the additional section that we have just added, and you will be able to edit them as well. As you can see here, you will be able to replace the image and everything. You can also change the page that you are editing by clicking on this top part over here, the top left option, and you will be able to change it to whatever page that you want. Then you will be able to edit them. You can also view it on a different platform such as a mobile, as you can see here, and you will be able to see what it would look like. And this is the product page. This is what customers will be able to see when they view our product. As you can see, go on the desktop, you will see that this is the book. the price, the description over here, and then like what they will be able to receive. And then the seller is unable to receive payment because I have not, or I have yet to connect my PayPal or Stripe. So we won't be able to do that. But anyway, after you publish this, you will now be able to officially launch your store. As you can see, then you can visit your store and start selling. Now, all you need to do is to add every digital product that you're trying to sell, set up your store, edit however you want, and simply share it and promote it to social media and look for different audience that you will be able to start selling your different products. And that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.